Hello everyone, welcome to the series of tips and tricks at Mathegination. Our today's question is about the famous Math Olympiad problem in which we are given two algebraic equations. We know the value of one algebraic equation, what it is equals to, and we have to find the value in another algebraic equation, which is here x plus y. So let's see how we can solve this question. Before going to the solution, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel Mathegination so that you can learn more tips and tricks about mathematics. Now let's see how we can solve this question. So we are given that x plus xy plus y equals 54. One thing you notice that in the first two terms on the left hand side, you can take x common. So we got 1 plus y in the bracket and plus y as it is equals 54. Now what we can do next is actually add plus 1 on the both sides. So we have x into 1 plus y plus 1 I am adding in this left hand side. So to balance the equation, I have to add plus 1 on the right hand side as well. Now why I did plus 1 on both sides? Because now you see this is one term, this is another term, and in these two I can take y plus 1 common or 1 plus y. So y plus 1 is common. In the bracket I got x plus 1 equals 55. Now two brackets are multiplying with each other and equals to 55. The thing we are given along with these two equations is that x and y are positive integers. So for this, we know that if they are positive integers, so for the set of positive integers is z plus, it is equal to starting with 1, then 2, 3, and so on. So it means the value of x and y is at least 1. So y plus 1 is greater than equals to 2 because y is greater than equals to 1. And the same way, x plus 1 is greater than equals to 2 because the value of x, so the reason is x and y belongs to z positive, right? So at least x and y are 1, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. So at least the value of 1 plus 1 is 2 and x plus 1 value is at least greater than equals to 2. And this thing equals to 55. So now two things are multiplying and equals to 55. So we have to see how many factors are there which when we multiply equals to 55. So we know when we multiply 5 with 11, we got 55. So it means x plus 1 is 5 and y plus 1 is 5, x plus 1 is 11. When we multiply, we got 55. In the same way, when we multiply 11, i.e. y plus 1 is 11 and x plus 1 is 5, then we got again 55. Now, another thing is when I multiply 1 with 55, I got 55. It means y plus 1 is 1, but this is not correct because we know that y plus 1 is greater than equals to 2. Likewise, when I take y plus 1 is 55 and x plus 1 is 1, I got again 55, but this is again not possible because this thing is x plus 1, which is greater than equals to 2. So it means now there are not other factors of 55 because we know the factors of 55 are just 1, 5, 11, and 55 itself. And we take the combination of all these to make it 55. So it means these are two genuine cases and these are not applicable in our case. So it means we have two cases, case 1 and case 2. So case 1 is telling us, case 1 is saying that y plus 1 is 5 and x plus 1 is 11. So it means y is 4 and x is 10. In the same way, in case 2, we have now y plus 1 is 11 and x plus 1 is 5. So this implies y is 10 and this implies x is 4. So these are actually two solutions. So x plus y, this x is 10 and y is 4. So x plus y is 14. And here when you find out x plus y, now x is 4, y is 10, but again you got 14. So it means the answer of our second equation is 14. So this is 14. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends and colleagues. Until the next video, bye bye.